If someone was looking to buy Kidnap and Ransom insurance, how would they go about doing it?
Yeah, talk to me. That's a yeah. I'm sure there'll be links and all that stuff in here. Yeah, we're happy to help with it. We do a lot of it. We understand it really well. Um, Talk to your broker. I was at an appointment. It was shocking. I was at an appointment this morning. I sat down and they asked me, "Should we have kidnap and ransom insurance?" I don't know that I've ever been at an appointment with an account and in the first like 60 seconds they asked me about that. So ask your broker. Um, if you really want to see how if you have a large global exposure and you don't have that and your brokers never talk to you about it, yeah, you should have a conversation with them.
For you, what is the number one dead giveaway if you're a global organization that your program is not done correctly?
Kidnap and ransom, foreign work comp. Those are the two things I look at. Like, do you have those two things? And if they're not there, I always look at that and I'm like, their broker doesn't know what they're doing because it's not expensive. And then whenever I ask about it, if I'm in a conversation with a ministry and organization, I ask about it, and they don't sometimes I'll ask about it and they don't even know it's existed. I'm like, your agent's not doing their job because, like, if you don't want it, fine. If you can't afford it, understandable, but you should know that it's an option. Like, your agent should be educating you that this is an option. This is what it does. And I'll bring it up every year when I do a policy review with my accounts if they don't have it, because I don't, quite frankly, like, I don't want to be the reason why something really terrible happens to somebody's family member. Every we've talked about some poor situations and some situations that came out maybe as good as they could, but that's somebody's dad, that's somebody's mom, that's somebody's kid. Like, so I don't want to be the reason why that doesn't happen. So if your broker's not talking to you about it, if they don't know anything about it, that's probably a bad sign.